Okay, I think I can film a bit. First off, I can't copy the stuff there because it says I don't have enough space. I think it's just tripping. Look. And you see this, a G parted. This thing, I can't delete it. Do you know how I can delete it? Please help me.